On October 20th, Google is permanently retiring Gemini Gems. The system you currently use to store your custom AI workflows is being replaced by a completely new framework called Skills. According to the in-app deprecation notices, Google is not providing an automatic migration path for your existing data. We are going to walk through a manual extraction method. You will learn exactly how to pull your existing instructions out of Gemini and convert them into the new standard format. If you rely on these customized assistants for daily research, coding, or writing, taking action now ensures your logic survives the server update. Step 1 is understanding the destination. The legacy GEM system gave you a single open text box. The replacement framework, known as the Open Skills Standard, requires a specific, rigid logic layout. The core of this new standard is a markdown file called SKILL.md. Every custom assistant you migrate will need to be rebuilt in this exact format. The mandatory metadata fields at the top use a lowercase and hyphen rule for the skill ID. Below that are 3 sections: persona, instructions, and output format. Manually typing this syntax for every gem is tedious and increases formatting errors. Instead, you can automate this. We've provided the instructional code for a skill converter gem. By pasting this code into a new gem right now, you force the AI to do the formatting work for you. Setting up this converter tool once ensures your extracted prompts comply with the new system architecture. Now that your converter is ready, we can process your old workflows. We are taking your unstructured text and stamping it into structured code. Open up one of your legacy gems, copy the instructions, and paste them directly into the chat window of your new skill converter. The converter takes the rough, tangled instructions on the left and outputs a highly organized workdown block on the right, fully prepared for extraction. Review the output carefully. Ensure that your critical failure rules, the instructions telling the AI what not to do, have been isolated into their own distinct bullet points under the instructions header. To make this prompt reusable across different tasks, locate any highly specific project details in the text and replace them with empty brackets. Do not highlight the text manually. Click the dedicated copy button in the top corner of the generated code block to preserve the markdown formatting. By concluding this step, you have detached your logic from the Gemini interface. Your web setting is now a portable digital asset. You need a place to store these extracted files. Google Docs is a viable storage vault because it features built-in version control and offers future native integrations within the Gemini ecosystem. Create a single, centralized master document. Paste the converted code for every AI assistant you migrate into this one file. Above each pasted code block, type the name of the assistant and apply the heading 1 text style. That specific format automatically populates the document outline sidebar on the left. You now have a clickable table of contents for instant navigation. If you edit a prompt later and the results begin to degrade, open the Google Docs version history to roll back to your last working configuration. Grouping your files under this specific structural hierarchy turns a collection of text notes into a searchable prompt library. Your custom AI workflow logic is now completely secure and safely isolated from the upcoming October 20th platform reset. When the new Skills menu goes live, your deployment takes seconds. Open your Docs vault, copy the formatted code, and paste it into the new Gemini interface. Check the video description below to copy the Skill Converter prompt template and begin your migration.